Hi everyone, it's Janice here. A huge welcome. Thanks for watching and just sit back and enjoy. I'm just going to have a day where I'm playing with my Chameleon powders. It's been raining for 2 days solid and woke up again today and it was raining. So I decided I'm just going to have what I call a cozy day inside. So I've got a whole lot of Chameleon powders. Some of them I've never ever used before. So I thought I'm going to do a little project just using some of the colors that I don't think I have used a few of them, but not all of them. So I'm trying to sort of remember which ones I haven't used. And I've got this lizard mold. So I've never used the mold either. I did loan it to someone else. That's why it's got a few sort of stains on it, but I haven't used it. So I'm going to do this mold, and I've got a friend that loves lizards. So once it's done, I think I've got some gorgeous pieces of driftwood that I picked up on the beach. So I'll mount it on a piece of really nice driftwood, and I'll put some hooks on and make a key holder for her. So I'm just randomly putting in these chameleon colors, and so there's no resin in this mold. I'm just putting the colors straight onto the mold, and then I'll pour resin on top of this. So I've got 80 grams of a 1-to-1 resin here. There are a few bubbles in there, and I'm going to use some black mica powder. I just find that the chameleon colors come out beautifully when you put a black against a black background. So it's when I always find that they're really vibrant and the color is quite deep. So I'm hoping that it'll be the same. We'll see. And then what I did, and I don't know why I did it, but just before the resin, sorry, that I'm just going to spray some alcohol just to get rid of the bubbles. So just before it had totally cured and it was still slightly sticky, on the spur of the moment, I grabbed some glitter and I sprinkled some holographic black glitter over the back, over the top of it. And then as I finished it, I kind of thought, wow, asked myself why I was doing it, because you're not going to see it anyway, because I'm going to stick this side down. But anyway, I did it, and it does look nice, but yeah, you're not going to see it. So yeah, it was a bit of a crazy move, but it is what it is. I think the colors are absolutely amazing. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I just love those deep kind of jewel colors. So this isn't the driftwood that I'm going to use. It's just another piece that I had. And oh, I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So there was a little bit of overflow of resin onto the mold. So I'm just taking my nail file and then just gently file those away. They come off very, very easy. So I think the colors are gorgeous. I wish I'd used a bit more pink. But anyway, I'm happy with it. It's the colors are, I think the colors are really lovely. So I hope you enjoyed that. It was it was short and sweet, but I do think it's lovely. I love the colors. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you on the next one.